David Daoud of Compliance Standards. Today is the 26th of August 2025, and this is the latest installment of Until ITAD. Welcome to this briefing. So as August winds down, the IT asset disposition and the electronics recycling sectors have entered a seasonal slowdown. Activity tapered off across most operations, giving essentially the industry a chance to catch its breath, so to speak, before the busy September cycle begins after Labor Day. Now, but not every part of the sector slowed. For example, battery recycling remained active with new facilities coming online, with transactions in established markets, and of course, with the regulatory discussions continuing at the state level specifically. Now, this confirms that batteries are now one of the most sort of dynamic subsegment of the recycling and the ITAD landscape. And that's essentially a sector that's going to be drawing a lot more investment and the intention, even when the broader market takes a pause. In the core ITAD space, mergers, acquisitions, and even infrastructure announcements were muted this week, though there were signs of expansion planning in e-waste recovery, for instance. These movements may look small today, but they point toward what we think are strategic positioning for higher volumes going forward. Now, meanwhile, we looked at the hardware ecosystem, and that ecosystem tells us a different story. Now, across semiconductors, across contract manufacturing, including text equipment and even medical devices, we've noticed that earnings and the demand indicators remained very strong this week. Even consumer markets for battery-powered tools showed notable growth. Now, for ITAD stakeholders, this is an indication that products shipping today will retire in 3 to 5 years, and that retirement wave will certainly include more lithium-ion packs, more connected tools, more complex regulated medical equipment, and a strong healthcare sector. The implications are fairly straightforward, as you would guess, right? ITAD operators should use this quiet period to refine their processes, invest in safe battery handling capacity for those who are willing to do that, and prepare for future stream of devices that will require specialized treatment. Looking ahead and into September, September will bring deeper research from compliance standards on a number of issues, 3 critical themes of which are, number 1, how private capital is reshaping sustainability in ITAD operations. Number 2, how lifecycle-as-a-service models are expanding beyond software and into devices in retirement, and how, number 3, and how the next wave of laptops and tablets will perform when they reach the recycling stream in 3 to 5 to 6 years from now. So while this week may have felt quiet, the underlying signals are pretty solid. Batteries are accelerating, hardware demand is robust, and the next cycle of research and market activity is just around the corner. So if you're a client, follow this link to access the research. If you're not a client, we would love to have you. Just follow this link as well and get in touch with us. Thank you.